Driven by our mission to make life better, our employees produce life-transforming therapies for people across the globe. Welcome to our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Research Triangle Park, North Carolina. Located approximately 17 miles northwest of downtown Raleigh, the RTP facility is one of our newest parenteral and device assembly manufacturing sites. Empowered by state-of-the-art technology, automated robotics, and a culture of excellence fueled by highly skilled professionals, this site focuses on producing injectable medicinal solutions and the delivery systems designed to administer them to patients. Our diverse and talented teams bring expertise and passion from all over. Whether you just graduated high school or are a seasoned professional, there is potential for you to join Team Lilly and improve lives. Our clean and sterile work environments are designed to maximize safety and enhance efficiency, with collaborative spaces and a variety of on-site amenities to meet professional and personal needs. At Lilly RTP, we are empowered by incredible academic partnerships with colleges and universities such as Wake Tech and Durham Tech. Collaborations like these enable us to advance workforce development programs and integrate as community partners as we develop a robust talent pipeline that is ready to deliver medicine to patients in need. At RTP, Lilly offers an opportunity to find purpose through a career that is dedicated to improving lives.